This content is made for adult collectors. It's adult collectibles. It's not made for kids. สวัสดีครับ What's up guys? Welcome to Joki Jiki channel by HereHem. So this channel we are going to review comic and movie collection. So make sure you subscribe and put notification bell so you won't miss a new episode. If you would like to buy some figure, you can check that out in the link below. 360 rotation, love. So this episode, we are doing the modified action figure that we really like, that HereHem really likes. So this one, the Joker, modified by head swap. Okay, let's go to the art story that I want to show you guys. So here, the head right here, so came from this package, the White Knight McFarlane Toys Joker. So here, and the body came from this package, McFarlane Toys Arkham Asylum Joker. So here, and I mixed them together, and you can see here that is the Joker, the mod Joker. So let's go to talk about the Joker movie. So Joker 2019, 8.5 score out of 10. I really like this version of Joker a lot, but I even like this version of Joker more, the Dark Knight 2008, so which is 9.0 out of 10. So the thing I like about the Joker that he burned the money. He doesn't care about the money. He's doing it for fun. So that's my laughing. Try to replicate him, and even he has the trouble, he's still laughing. That's right, guy. So let's go to the gimmick about this Joker. All right. So here we have Thai traditional art action pose. So 360 rotation for you guys. So the gimmick you can see by you can see by action pose, right? If he has a good gimmick or he doesn't have it. All right, so the next one, running for your life. The mod Joker run for your life. Okay, so you can see how cool he is. So next up, we have flying Joker, like a Superman and like an Iron Man. So he has the blast effect. The blast effect it came from his feet. And here we have Joker rocking on metal guitar. So what do you think, guys? He is pretty awesome on the gimmick. I think he has a pretty awesome gimmick. So let's go to the next one. Actually, we have to put this one on for sure. Superhero landing mod Joker. Mod is a short form from modification, all right, guys? So there you go. The mod Joker, McFarlane Toys mod Joker. So let's go to the art of compare. I'm gonna take him to the stand neutral pose, like so, and he's ready to choose someone, right? So Actually, he has a pretty difficult, a little bit, yeah, a little bit difficult to stand. So I just take him into the stand like so, right? So you can see I do comparison real fast. So we won't make this episode too long. So right guys, we have it stand here. So and turn it around to the camera and turn up the camera a little bit. So we have the Joker ready to fire. And here we have Emma Frost Hellfire Club 2020, aka 2020. So I custom myself, HereHem custom by himself. So here we have McFarlane Toys, Batman Who Laughs, the first Batman Who Laughs action figure in human history. So what do you think, guys? The comparison, the side comparison between, yeah, I think Marvel Legend female figure is pretty good scale with this mod Joker, and also the Batman Who Laughs is already shorter than the mod Joker. The mod Joker is way taller than him, yeah. So he's rocking on guitar and he's rocking on the big gun. So I'm not really sure what's this called, yeah. So let's go to the rating, guys. How do you rate this mod Joker? I think I really like the this mod Joker a lot. I wait for a long time for White Knight Joker to come out, and actually I have the Arkham Asylum Joker for a while, and finally White Knight Joker came out, and yeah, so we have the mod Joker in front of you. So look at the portrait over here. What do you think, guys, about this mod figure? I think he has a pretty cool proportion, overall feeling, and very crazy looking. I mean, yeah, the Joker that has two different color on his eyes, yeah, and the iconic body suit for the Joker. So White Knight is pretty good storyline, but I think White Knight Joker head is looking awesome, great, cool on this body a lot. So I'm gonna give it 10 out of 10. How about you guys? What do you think about the figure? What do you think about the review? Please let me know in the comment section. And also, make sure you subscribe and put the notification bell so we can meet each other on the next episode. If you would like to buy some figure, you can check that out in the link below. So this episode coming to the end. Love you guys who came to watch, and HereHem signing off for now. สวัสดีครับ